Okay, bridging is a great way to start to strengthen those glutes. So you're gonna have the pillow above your shoulders. You can do this on your bed, is ideal. Press your shoulders down and back, tuck your chin, press your head back, lift your buttocks up in the air, hold that there, and try to really get that height up there. You're gonna feel that a little bit sometimes in your back, so do what's comfortable, but each time try to go a little higher, and then come down. Good, and then repeat that again with the ankles and the knees pressed together. And come down. Let's say you get a cramp in the back of your thigh, put your leg out straight and then press your heel down so you feel the activation in your gluteal muscles, and that will take away that Charlie horse that people tend to get because they're too weak in their glutes. All right, press your knees together and your feet and lift up again, and then the cramp should be gone. Hold that 3 to 6 seconds and do that about 3 to 6 times. Stay strong and be well. Thank you for choosing Brill Physical Therapy.